Hello, this is Jose here with Triple J Marketing. Hi, Michelle. It was nice talking to you. This would be for DES Electrical in Whittier. So I'm going to be going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? But oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local businesses owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who the expert is. So I found by giving away this attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their businesses, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, which is fine. But some call me back and have me do it for them. If by the end of this video you like what you heard and seen the things that it can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you just simply want to take this free tech plan I gave to you, that works for me as well. I'm here to help. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition. And to not waste any more of your time, the first thing we're going to be going over is content. So I found that you do have a website, and when talking about content, is Google goes through each email sorry about that. And they go over through content. The content of each page consists of all words on the first homepage. That's what they crawl and they look over to see how much content you have. And this is basically looking at pictures, looking at all text of each picture, looking at all the words that you have on your first homepage. Your first homepage is the first page that each new customer comes in and sees everything that you guys offer. Your website is looking really well. It is very convenient and it has all the locations where you guys are servicing, which is really, really good here. But the content for you guys is about 110 words only on your homepage. Now, your competitor here, and this is the one that I found just by scrolling down on the organic search here, not the map pack here, and we're going to be going over that in a little bit. But the organic page here, I see your first competitor of smartchoiceelectricians.com, and their content, let me get the word count here, their content only is 764 words. Now, in order for Google to have your count as your homepage to be ranking above this competitor, you would need 1,500 words, which is very, very accessible. We can obviously do that to your homepage to optimize it for Google to start ranking your page above your competitors. Now, the next thing that we're going to be talking about is backlinks. Now, I use this tool, Ahrefs. I pay for this. This is out of my pocket. There's a lot of free website tools for SEO online that you can look for, and this is what I usually use on my day-to-day basis. So when I plug in your site here, it gives me that you only have 19 backlinks. Now, a backlink is literally a clickable link coming from another site, usually from directories, online directories, where you put your address, your website information, and that person looking for your business clicks on, let's say, Yelp, and it leads back to your site. That's a backlink. But again, not all backlinks are the same, and this basically tells Google that you are gaining popularity by ranking. The more backlinks you have, the better you are able to rank your website for better searches for people looking for your services. Now, your competitor here shows that they don't have any backlinks. It could be an error. Sometimes it doesn't show the full scope of picture here. But if it is true like this, you are obviously beating them at the old game, So in this case, we would obviously add more backlinks, so your website is more powerful than the other ones. And here we are looking at the other competitions, which are usually just from Angie.com and Yelp.com, and these are just services that people, contractors, pay to gain leads. Now, for paying here for these services, you're paying for a lead for the services like Angie.com, that collects that money from other contractors. So you're not getting that lead for yourself. You're competing to get that lead to come to work with you, for you to provide those services to that customer, which at the end, you're spending more money for those leads instead of making your website be seen and getting those leads for yourself. Now, the third item that we're going to be talking about is citations. Now, a citation helps you rank in this map up here, in this level here. What you see here is the first 3 top competitors. Now, every time that you search Whittier electricians or electricians near me, it's going to give you, depending on your location, the top 3 competitors. This is where we want to be. This is where you need to be here in order to get more leads, more people coming to your site. Now, the first one here, Power Pro Electric Services. They are going to have a lot of citations, and a citation is basic information of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website. That's all you need. And in order to rank on these, you just have to go out there to online directories like Yellow Pages and Angie and Yelp and the Better Business Bureau, and plug in your information there with all these this information, your phone number, your full address, and your website. And that's going to have you acquire more citations. And the more citations you have, the better your results are that you're going to be showing up here on the first 3. Now, obviously, you're going to be having these ads up here, and these are guaranteed ad placements because people pay for these. Contractors pay high top money to be on here, but the leads are not always guaranteed. And again, you can always pay for ads as well. We do provide that services also. But all the free information here is to have your website rank on this organic section and on the Google Map Pack by doing these 3 steps. Now, once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, then you can outgrow your competitors. Here's what you might be looking at, making sure if you do it right, you might be looking at landing on the first page. And on this, I don't see your website on the first page at all. Now, by generating this kind of traffic through your website, you'll be looking at getting more business coming your way. I'm not sure what your margins are at this moment unless we speak a little bit further on this. And usually, applying keywords, proper keywords to your website as well helps also rank your website. Now, this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some information. We can talk about your goals and what I can do to research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Now, again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out to me as my door is always open. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this really helps you. Thank you, and have a great day.